I tried to download a Google Chrome on this iMac, but it's giving me a problem. It says Safari could not download the file googlechrome.dmg because the disk doesn't have enough free space. And as you can see here, we have more than 800 GB of free space. Let's open up this utility. So you can see right there, free space is more than 800 GB. Alright, so let me show you how to fix this problem. Click OK on this one. Click on the Apple logo. System Preferences. Click on Software Update. And underneath this, other updates are available. Click on More Info. And as you can see here, there's an update for Safari. Let's uncheck the other update, and we are going to update just the Safari here. And then click Install Now. It says Safari must be closed before the software can be installed. Right, so let's click this one here, close application and install. Alright, it seems like the update is installed. I'm gonna check one more time. More info. And the update for Safari is not there. Let's close this one here. And close it because we don't want to upgrade to Monterey. Alright, now let's open up Safari. Search for Google Chrome. And download Chrome. Do you want to allow downloads on google.com? Allow. And there you go, it is downloading. And there you go, and that's how you fix the problem with Safari. The problem is fixed and ready for the customer to pick up.